Welcome to the Voluson Performance Series video tutorials, Measurements and Calculations. To perform a measurement, select the Measure hard key on the console. The display menu will show the available calculations for the selected category. The upper portion of the menu displays the available measurement groups. Once a measurement group is selected, the lower portion of the menu will show the calculations available for that exam. There are three ways to make a selection from the display menu. Use trackball and set, use the corresponding keyboard shortcut key, or use the menu control knob on the console to scroll. Then press down to select. After a measurement selection is made, the system automatically displays the caliper to begin the measurement. Complete measurements with the trackball and set keys. When an ellipse function is needed, the ellipse cursor will become active after the second end caliper is set. The trackball will rotate the ellipse freely, using the first two endpoints as anchors. Measurements are locked when they're completely yellow. All calculations are sent to a comprehensive patient report. Green calipers indicate that you can still make modifications. To perform modifications, select the upper trackball key labeled Change. If a measurement is completed in error, simply choose the Delete Last option on the display menu. This also removes the measurement from the report. If endpoints of an ellipse need to be modified, select the Change button to make them active. Selecting Set will lock them and allow sizing of the ellipse cursor. If distance measurements are preferred over an ellipse, the measurement options are accessible using the rotary knob and will be displayed on the screen. Generic measurements are also found in the measurement menu. For example, if you want to measure a cyst or another structure that does not have a calculation package, select the Measure key again to cycle to the Generic Measurement menu. From the measurement list, you can choose a simple distance measurement, area, or volume, with additional choices appearing on the lower portion of the menu. The system allows you to measure up to 8 measurements on a single image. Measurements can also be auto-sequenced. If you want to perform a length, height, and width measurement of an ovary in sequence, the system will continue to display the next caliper until you've completed all 3 measurements. Amniotic fluid index can also be auto-sequenced and displayed in a quad screen format for an easy single display of all quadrants. M-mode and pulse wave Doppler measurements are performed similar to 2D measurements by selecting the appropriate group from the top of the menu, then selecting the specific measurement below. Pulsed wave measurements are pre-programmed with the areas of the waveform that are required, such as peak systole and end diastole. In Doppler, measurements that require a trace, such as pulsatility index, the system will automatically activate a trace mode. Trace can be performed manually with trackball and set, or performed with the auto trace function. After activation from the display menu, adjust the endpoints using the trackball and set keys to change the endpoints and set the measurement. Patient data, measurements, and calculations from the exam are sent to a comprehensive report. From this report, you can delete measurement data, add exam comments, print or export the report in PDF format. For OB reports, there is an additional fetal anatomy section that includes biophysical profile and cardiovascular profile scoring. Graphs can be viewed in bar format or single or quad format using drop-downs to customize the quad display, as well as a choice to view fetal trending if follow-up exams are performed. The Voluson Performance Series is an easy-to-use system with excellent image quality and performance to help meet the needs of your practice.